Ben's gonna jump start someone's car. Have you ever done this before?
No, I've only had my car jump started before.
The swimming pool.
We're at the Westland Recreation Centre in Greymouth, off for our first shower in about 5 days.
Stinky.
This is really nice, really good pool. Only $7.50, so about £3.50, just under. Got a pie from Blanchfields Bakery. It's established in 1892, which is old by British standards. It must be ancient for New Zealand. Steak and cheese. I'm not getting all that much cheese, but it's pretty good. Went out to a cafe, got a hot chocolate, and we're working on some of the video content.
I've got a chai latte on the way. I've got the ick.
Marinate it before we go to the campsite. Let's get a bit more flavour in. After dipping the old frying pan in some poison algae water, we've gone and bought a new set, which I don't really like non-stick in general, but brand new non-stick, it's fine for now. I prefer stainless steel. We're going to do a Penang curry for dinner. I was going to do rice, but the sun's setting already. If I try and cook some rice on this gas stove right now, I don't think we're going to be eating into that dark. I mean, it's washing up a nightmare. Let's crack on. The gas has run out and I broke the spatula. It's going really well today. Really, really well. Bass is here, sorting out some veg. We need to go change campsite because we can't even park here overnight. Buy a new gas canister. Ty's gonna have to sit with a hot pan on a lap full of chicken, which is half cooked and half raw.
You have to laugh or I should cry.
Yeah. Oh, I'm crying on the inside. Off we go with the pan of half-cooked chicken warming Paris's lap. After stopping by 3 petrol stations, we will recommend to go to a place called the Warehouse, which did have gas canisters. We got 4 canisters for $9. In context, the other day in Twizel, we paid $6 for 1 canister. So that's a much better deal. So we're finally cooking up the chicken, but we have sunset in the background, and I'm pretty sure by the time we start eating, it's going to be dark, let alone by the time we start washing up. There we go. Got our dinner in the dark.